Glad you dropped in today. I'm Gagajoy, and this is Gagajoy's Kitchen, and today we're making Crescent chicken and bacon rolls. And it's very easy. It's one of those light things that everybody loves. I've already put one can of Crescent rolls here. You put the big end here and let the little star end come here because you're going all the way around first. Now this one, I don't know whoever made Crescent rolls, but they certainly did a wonderful thing. There's very few things you can't make with a Crescent roll. Make them good, that is. Okay, that's my last piece. Let's go around and mash it down a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stuff this around here with a different, real nice mixture. The chicken is just canned chicken. I was happy to see that because I didn't have to cook any chicken. And 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. A half of pepper. Half of onion. And then here's a little bit extra onion. I think that's good. And this is Dijon mustard. I can't say that. This is salt and pepper, half a teaspoon each. This is a cup of bacon bits. Just fry your bacon and crush it up as best you can. Now this is a tablespoon of Italian dry seasoning mix. You know that comes in the little packages. This is a tablespoon of it. And of course, this is our cheese. This is Swiss cheese, by the way. Now just mix it up. Now, a lot of people have different things they put in here. It's just really up to you. The chicken was a surprise to me. Usually it's bacon and eggs. A lot of people like the eggs mixed in here. So this should be this will be a new one for me too. I'll get a bigger spoon here. Okay, now we're going to go around here with the mixture. Now, while I'm doing this, I've got my oven preheating to 375. And it doesn't take very long to cook it. I think it's like about 25 minutes. Okay, now I'm just folding them over and tuck it under like that. Well, as you see, when I got to the inside, you just tuck them right under, and you will see some of the filling in between them. Something that was real messy, it turned out really pretty. So I put it in this 375-degree oven for the next 20 minutes, and I'll check it. It could be 25. Well, here we are with our crescent roll and our chicken and our bacon. That makes a pretty ring. I'm not gonna cut it right now because I got company coming, but as you see, it'd be so easy to cut between each space. I always have company coming. We've had a wonderful day. It's been hot in the kitchen, and we've loved doing this today. And remember the joy. We'll see you soon.